In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign in to your Aldi account on Chrome. To get started, open the Chrome browser on your device and go to the main Aldi website. Make sure you are on the official homepage before continuing, since this helps you avoid confusion and ensures you are signing in through the correct site. Once the page finishes loading, take a moment to look over the top area of the screen. In the upper right section, you should see the Sign In button. Click on that to open the login page or sign in panel. If the page takes a second to respond, that is completely normal, so just wait for the sign in form to appear before moving on. When the login form is visible, find the first input field. This is where you will enter the email address connected to your Aldi account. Type your registered email address carefully, making sure there are no typing mistakes or extra spaces. Even a small error can prevent the system from recognizing your account, so it is worth double checking before you continue. Next, move to the second input field, which is for your password. Enter your account password exactly as it was created. Remember that passwords are often case sensitive, so uppercase and lowercase letters need to be entered correctly. If you are using a shared or public computer, it is a good idea to be extra careful while typing and avoid saving your login details in the browser. Before submitting your information, take one quick look at both fields to confirm everything is accurate. This simple habit can save time and help you avoid sign-in errors. If your password does not seem to work, pause and re-enter it slowly to make sure there are no missed characters. Once your email and password are entered correctly, you will be ready to continue with the sign-in process on the Aldi website. From there, you can access your account and manage your information as needed. That's all it takes to sign in to your Aldi account using Chrome. As a final tip, always make sure you are using a secure internet connection when logging into any account online, especially if you are entering personal information. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helped you follow the process